I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will understand the equation of line y equals to mx plus b. So let me write this equation again, y equals to mx plus b. This equation represents a line where m is what? M is the slope, right? M is the slope, and b is y-intercept. Right? That is what we know. Now let me ask you, what is x and what is y? Now, x is independent variable. Remember, x is independent variable. And y is the dependent variable, correct? So the relation between the independent variable and the dependent variable is y equals to mx plus b, and it really represents a line. This really represents a line when you graph. So that is how we can actually understand this particular equation, y equals to mx plus b, right? So let me kind of give you a sketch of this. So if I have coordinate system kind of like this, then a line which, let us say, goes like this, okay, and let me write down here y-intercept. Let's say this y-intercept for me is number 3, and let us say slope is rise over run, right? So slope is rise over run. So let us say this is kind of our slope where the rise is of 2, that means this is the rise, and the run is, let us say this is 3, right? That is to say, my coordinate point here is x value 3, y value 2 plus 3, 5. Do you understand? So y value will be 5, correct? So if that is the coordinate point on the line with y-intercept of 3, we can clearly see that the rise is 5 minus 3, which is 2, and the run is 3 minus 0, right? So this point actually is y-intercept, so x value has to be 0, right? And when we say y equals to mx plus b, x, which is the independent variable, is to be represented along the horizontal x-axis, and y is the dependent variable, which is represented on the vertical y-axis. So I hope that gives you a very, very clear picture of a line and relation of this line with the equation y equals to mx plus b. Now let me take few very special cases, and then we'll discuss what could be the equation of those lines, right? For example, if I have a horizontal line, so let me write down or show a horizontal line, right? So if I have a horizontal line whose y-intercept is 3, in that case, what is going to be the equation of this line? Well, since slope m equals to 0 and y-intercept b equals to 3, if I place this value in the equation, m equals to 0, so the first term will be 0. So we are left with y equals to the y-intercept, which is 3. So the equation for this will be y equals to 3. You get an idea, right? So that is how it should be. Now based on this, we learn that a horizontal line will have a 0 slope, right? Let's get back to the previous one. Now can you write down the equation of the line shown here? Sure, why not? What is the slope in this case? Well, the slope in this case is, as you find, rise over run 2 over 3, correct, is positive since it is rising, and the y-intercept b is 3. Therefore, the equation should be y equals to 2 over 3x plus 3. You get an idea, right? Now as an exercise, I'll sketch one line for you. You need to find equation of that line, and this time the line is kind of dropping down, right? So that is the line which has a y-intercept, let's say, of -2, and x-intercept of negative 2 again, right? Find the equation of this line. You can pause the video, answer the question. The solution is y equals to, is coming down, slope is -1, -2 over -2, so it will be -1 times x plus b. b is -2, so it should be -2. So you should get that as your answer. If that is the answer for you, you have understood all the concepts. Let me take a few more examples in the coming videos. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helped. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.